The ocean currents that help to keep Britain's climate so mild start 9,000 miles away in the chilly seas of Antarctica. It's here that cold water sinks to the deep and begins a long journey north across the equator, warming along the way and helping to even out temperatures around the planet. I joined scientists from British Antarctic Survey as they monitored the effect of melting ice, fresh water that then sits on the surface of the ocean, slowing the downward plunge of the currents.
There's a pattern of circulation in the Atlantic where water comes in at one level and goes out at a different level, and that's called the Atlantic overturning circulation, of which the Gulf Stream is a major component, and it keeps Western Europe warm, relatively benign climate. All these circulation patterns are interconnected, and the Southern Ocean around Antarctica is a key part of them. What the models we have and the observations we have seem to indicate is that that circulation in the North Atlantic is slowing down. It's all connected. The Earth is one system, and to understand any part of it, you have to understand all of the parts.
New research has zoomed in on the North Atlantic circulation, which transports heat from the tropics to Europe. Already, the system of currents, called AMOC, have slowed by 15% and now at their weakest in more than a millennium. But melting ice at both poles could slow it by 34 to 45% by the end of the century, changing our climate.
We may get more winter storms reaching Britain. We also expect that we may get more summer heat waves. In effect, what you're doing is you're altering the maritime influence. It'll also have impacts on places elsewhere other than the UK. So the US East Coast may see colder winters. It'll be impacted by sea level change.
In Antarctica, an iceberg the size of Bedfordshire has broken away from the Brunt ice shelf. It's a natural process, not climate change. But global warming is accelerating the melt of polar ice, and that's having consequences in every part of the planet. Thomas Moore, Sky News.